This is what we are going to do using Selenium WebDriver. Go to travelingtownie.weebly.com, wait for the contact menu to display, click on the contact menu, then wait for the name field to display, then send keys to it. Drag and drop basic actions that py into Sublime Text. This test is not complete. We need to add code to click on the contact menu and to send keys to the name field. One thing you will notice is that I'm locating the name field using XPath. Some of you might wonder why I did not use ID or name to find this element. It is simply because the ID and name are not well named. Using Firebug, you will see that they contain numbers in them. This should prompt you to use another locator method. You will also notice the driver that maximize window method in the setup method. What maximize window does is, like its name indicates, maximize the current window that WebDriver is using. To click the contact menu, simply write contact menu element.click. And to send keys to the name field, simply write name field element.send keys. And the keys that you want to send, let's say we want to send George, simply write George. I'm going to use time.sleep to wait for 6 seconds after the last WebDriver action. Otherwise, the test will terminate quickly and you won't have time to see the keys being sent to the name field. Now, one thing you should avoid is using time.sleep in your test. Some people mistakenly wait for elements using time.sleep. This will make your test flaky because time.sleep might elapse before the element is ready to be interacted with. Let's run our test on the terminal. And our test passed. Next, let's see how to select an option from a drop-down.